In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create an order form in Excel. Begin by opening Excel and creating a blank workbook. Starting with a blank sheet makes it easier to build a clean and organized form from scratch. Once the workbook is open, click into cell A1 and type Order Form. This gives your worksheet a clear title and helps identify the purpose of the file right away. Next, move down to cell A3 and type Customer Name. Then click cell A4 and type Order Date. These labels create space for basic order details at the top of the form. Keeping this information near the top makes the sheet easier to read and more practical to use when entering customer orders. Now you can set up the main table where the order details will go. In cell A6, type Item Description. In cell B6, type Price. In cell C6, type Quantity. In cell D6, type Total. These headers define each column and create a simple structure for the form. The Item Description column is where product names will go. The Price column shows the cost of each item. The Quantity column records how many are being ordered, and the Total column calculates the amount for each row. After that, enter your product list in column A and place the matching prices in column B. This forms the body of the order form and gives Excel the information it needs to perform the calculations correctly. Make sure each item is aligned with its correct price on the same row, so the totals will be accurate. Once your products and prices are entered, click cell D7 and type $B7 *C7. This formula multiplies the price by the quantity to calculate the total for that row. It is a simple but important formula because it automates the calculation and reduces the chance of manual errors. With the formula in place, click cell D7 again. Then grab the small square in the bottom right corner of the cell and drag it down to cell D9. This copies the formula into the rows below, so each item line will calculate automatically based on its own price and quantity. To finish the form, click cell C11 and type Grand Total. Then click cell D11 and enter =SUM D7 D9. This formula adds all the row totals together and gives you the final amount for the entire order. You now have a basic Excel order form that is clear, functional, and easy to update. That covers everything you need to know.